Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can create a yearly reminder on your iPhone. So these features can help you to remind every events that you will got in the future's time. So here you just need to go click back, and then you just need to pick the date that you want to create the events, and then you just need to tap on the date. The next you just need to tap into this plus button, and then you just need to add the title. Let's say here I will let you tap a sister's birthday, and the next you just need to scrolling down. There could be a repeat options here, so you just need to tap into this repeat, and then you can just pick the every year right here, and then after you got them you just need to go click add. So now you already got the information about this event, and then you will got the reminder for every year. In 21st of May every year you will get the notification about the events. So that's the way how you can do it. Let's meet again into other tutorial, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you will never miss the upcoming video.